COVID-19 cases are continuing to rise in Illinois for another day. State officials are reporting more than 2,000 new cases today. That's the most since late May. 21 more people have also died of the virus today. The state's positivity rate has also risen since yesterday. It is now at 4.1%. In light of those numbers, the governor announced new emergency rules, putting it on businesses to enforce face mask guidelines or face fines.
WGN's Gaynor Hall is joining us with details and reaction from some business groups.
Hi, Jackie and Lourdes. The governor says scofflaw businesses need to know that there are real penalties, but some critics call the proposed rules a slap in the face.
It's not really our place. We aren't in a position to enforce laws.
Art Potash owns 3 markets in Chicago. He says he agrees with the governor's intent, but disagrees with the method.
It's a very difficult environment, and I think the fines, the burden being placed on retailers is going to, make that environment even more difficult.
This is a make or break moment.
Pritzker was joined by union and industry leaders this morning announcing the new emergency guidelines. He says they'll give local health departments and law enforcement more leeway to make sure businesses, schools, and child care organizations are requiring people to wear masks and follow capacity restrictions.
The first step in the proposed rule is educating businesses on compliance. The next step is a warning. And the last step, after these repeated attempts to urge compliance, is a fine.
The proposal still needs approval from the Joint Committee on Administrative Rules, or JCAR. House Republican leader Jim Durkin says Pritzker is overstepping his authority.
We believe that this is a prerogative for the legislature to be able to create a law. I am for a strong face mask law, but doing it through JCAR is an easy way out. It's the easy way to try to get this implemented, but it's wrong.
Fines would range from $7,500 to $2,500. Individuals would not face penalties. The president of the Illinois Restaurant Association stood in support of the rules.
The stakes are too high, as it would be catastrophic to shut down our economy once again. It would be the death of the hospitality industry here in the state of Illinois.
But the head of the Illinois Retail Merchants Association says enforcement efforts for mask wearing should be focused on individuals, not businesses.
Holding them accountable for someone they can't control, that's just not, that doesn't constitute fairness in the American justice system.
The governor also signed legislation today passed by lawmakers that enhances protections for retail workers who are attacked while enforcing those COVID-19 restrictions. Lourdes and Jackie.
All right. Thank you so much, Gaynor.